This episode is sponsored by Rachael Ray Nutrish, natural food for cats.
From wars to disease and death, there's a lot of bad stuff going on. Luckily, we have 3 animals that will restore your faith in the world. First up is Kabang the dog. Just a few years ago, this adorable shepherd mix was adopted as a stray puppy in the Philippines. It was probably the best decision her new family ever made, because in 2011, Kabang saved their daughter and their cousin's lives by shielding them from an oncoming motorcycle. Unfortunately, Kabang's snout was crushed and she soon developed a life-threatening infection. But news of the dog's heroic actions spread worldwide, and enough money was raised to fly Kabang to America for a life-saving procedure. Number 2 is Moko the bottlenose dolphin, who helped rescue a sperm whale mother and calf after they got lost in 2008. The pair were stranded on a sandbar and having such a hard time getting back to sea, the conservation workers actually considered euthanizing them so that they wouldn't have a long, drawn-out death. Just then, Moko the dolphin swam in and led them towards a channel and out to sea. Number 3 is a herd of elephants who protected a vulnerable new mother. Elephants are known for their unity and often exhibit loyal behavior with each other. Such was the case in February 2012 in Kenya, when a herd created a defensive circle from nearby lions and hyenas to protect a mother elephant giving birth. They blocked the view of the calf and even covered up blood with dirt to disguise the scent from predators. Whether it's looking out for each other or even for humans, we could learn a lot from animals. Be sure to subscribe and share any similar stories with us in the comments.
Thanks again to Rachael Ray Nutrish for sponsoring this episode.